Welcome to this detailed guide on curving text in Figma using a quick process that takes around 5 minutes. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you are on the home page, locate the option to log in at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on login will bring up the sign-in options that Figma provides. After selecting login, you will see an option to continue by using your Google account. Choose the Continue with Google option to streamline your access. You will then be prompted to select your preferred Google account from the list that appears. Pick the account that you normally use for Figma and this will automatically log you into the platform. Once you have successfully signed in, direct your attention to your project area. You can access your project by following the provided link that takes you to your project workspace within Figma. When you are inside your project, look for the toolkit at the bottom of the interface. In this toolkit, you will find an Actions section. Clicking on Actions will reveal additional options to further enhance your design workflow. Within the expanded Actions menu, locate and select the Plugins and Widgets option. This step is crucial as it allows you to integrate additional functionalities into your design process without leaving Figma. After opening the Plugins and Widgets section, you will be presented with a search field where you can type specific keywords to find the exact tool you need. At this point, enter the term text arc into the search field. You will see a list of plugins matching your search criteria. From the options available, find the one named text arc and click on it. You will then see an option labeled Run. Click Run to activate the plugin. This will initiate the tool that enables you to create text on a curved path. Next, with the Text Archy plugin running, you will have an area where you can type in the text that you want to curve. In this workspace, enter your desired text and choose the option for curved text. This step provides you with the ability to preview how your text will look once curved along a path, adding a creative flair to your design. After you have adjusted your text and settings, finalize the process by clicking on Generate. This command completes the action, applying the curve effect to your text as specified. The final result is a curved text that enhances the visual appeal of your design, making it a unique addition to your project. Following these steps carefully will allow you to add a creative twist to your text in Figma effortlessly. The entire process is designed to be straightforward yet powerful, providing a valuable tool for enriching your design projects. Enjoy curving your text and exploring the new dynamic look this brings to your designs.